Yeah, I'm doing a little job for me pal. XLR cables, guys. Anybody that's into speakers, hi-fi stuff. I'm going to be putting some new plugs on quite a few sets. But what I've got to do first is just take this off of here. Looking for, what are we looking for? We are looking for that for a start. In fact, let me just put that in there. Got a brand new one there, which is, that one is perfect for the soldering. That's brand new. That can go away. That can possibly stay out. That can go away. That can stay out. In fact, that can go away. So I'm just trying to make some room on there, guys, just so I can do this work that I've got to do. The joys of ADHD is you're so messy all the time. But it's all good. All I'm going to do is just take this off, like that. You've got this little metal bit that goes over the top. And then choose the weapon of our choice. As we're going to do a bit of tinning, I might use this one. Bit of tinning. Looking for that. I'm looking for that. That goes over. Oh. I put the wrong one on, actually. It's this other one, which I've got over here. Like that. Hopefully this one, yeah, locks in. A little thermostat on here. Anyway, I'm just going to quickly clean this. Right. Just got some solder. Got this solder I'm using. I'm going to cut a fresh bit off for this job. It's quite often easier to hold this, you see, than a little bit of solder. But anyway, what I'm going to do. We'll cut off a nice little bit. It's not even going to cut through it. Like, so what we'll do is turn the iron on. Just about sneaked a path to the iron. So turn the iron on. For some reason the iron's not coming on. Right, resolve that issue. Turn the iron on. What we'll do to start with, we'll have it right down low. Obviously the thermostat there, I don't know if you can see that. Turn it right up. All I want to do is just cut through this. Get rid of these wire strippers, but really thin ones. I normally don't use them. I normally just use my fingernail. Got my little kit up here. Desoldering gun. Another soldering iron. Anyway, let's see if this is warm enough just to cut this. Zoom right in on this. Come up from the bottom. Not yet. What we'll do is we'll crank this right up. Where are we? Let's go again. Ooh. There we go. Turn that down quick. In fact, we'll turn that off at the moment. We need. That'll do. Yeah, all set up for the next stage now. What I'll do is upload this little bit and then as a part 1, and then I'll show you what I'm up to in part 2. Anyway, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a good evening, and I hope you've had a good day.